도지 찬지 number 2 세계 만서 내게 성으로야 아니 참주셔야이 엔드린데 어저디 지게기 최시로 붙여야기 니만 제마도 임bre 그 미리야 가상데 좋아로 가셔도 제자 좋아져서 towards the chat in the chat and DJ and again that Tracy chat the Jodon showing.
First of all, I would like to offer my greetings to all of the Rinpoches as well as the members of the Sangha and the lay community. Today is the last day of this teaching for our foreign students. And so, first of all, in this teaching, I would like to have the questions and answers. So we will have questions and answers first, and then following that, I will teach more about the Dharma and conclude the teachings. The first question is, if we have been educated in the West, we have a spirit of competition as it is considered a virtue there. When we deeply wish to practice Dharma properly, we have to work on this competitiveness and also on our jealousy. Could Your Holiness please tell us how to recognize these negative aspects in our mind, how to deal with them, and how to work with others' projections of jealousy onto us? And is this competitiveness and jealousy connected with both low self-esteem and pride?
Kasi nganzu nubchoki labjong xewa ina, tene chigla ndendur chaya di kechimbuchi tsigyos yabachi, di laga yabachi shaglu. Ina yang nganzu chu yang tabachi, nyamsi lembek tabshi chena, chu gi nangla ya, tene ndensem tang, tene xiengi chakto, tenzo ma xiyagi tabshi, pangyagi tabshi chebe songdos. Di songzang tene digi coalition of Kalab containers, the Densem Dang, Chakto de Candestin, Lalien Tagore, Candes Yamlen Jankundo. Then Mexiki, she hanging around the two Chakto Yuna, take up the Karachekore. Then Densem Dang, Dentucia de Dang, Chakto Gi Samlu Nite. Ranki consort di member ngaji. Ini passion saja, passion.
Nambe shunglu nane, lelo namba sum this nane, and Tony Niebe lelo saji or Susu Nieju Shista, Susu Kan Jungumane, Kanche Tumana Sosoro, Tendegi, Guno Chiade, Norres. That is a Leluan, just teaching little to share of teaching with the Chimdo. Today, using Boba Goddess. Boba Chen. Diane Samson Boba Danga Yedzu no Niendua Boba, and the Chigedzu and Chundune, Lobjon Tedune, Kaswe. Identities are study, Sosuki. Individual the individual somewhere that's so gag ngasa da kechim bimit gerger ka rangwasa na da thodan de kechim bru chi mi indusane di ke jama mo she indusane da cho chi ne ene ko gesen rab chi do azu pheba zo pena chi ye bu chung chung ji mi ne ene pena mi chen bo pena das gego sin ro de so le Boba Tombio Tony, to get it to Yak, Boba Yedeva, little wa. 아주 배배난 데요 말이지 라마 침버지 배서나 아니 부장으로 가서 동부 휴휴리 차지 미살 다대 마도베 간 가서 좋아할 지내 제가 가서 법에 등요 말이 다대지 초진의 누르를 지제도 럽종 대단 충분히 다 미션버량 아주지 가서 그렇게도 야게 계시에비나 다디지 구셔면 그러지다 야만지 계수셔버 드리지 지려 봐 다디디 지나 누르를 진짜 딱 간다량 법에 야고도 인비는 참선한지 누적이 미카시한지 법에 채자지 법에 나게 유로를 채제 근데 시행을 배지 계수셔서 근데 용해를 수도 근데 인도산 지당 그 법에 요구하되 그 시작에 전부르샤 지 소수기 가서 신기해 받을 때 지지 시에버들이야 소수기 딩당 닝도브르지 요구하되 계속 시작하샤 다임비네디 지 신 계수기 줄래야 마로지당 안다나지 랑레 연대 하왕 연대 채와 여버되기들이야 아니지 가서 미가벨로 미겨와 다 된대지 와다 계속 시작하샤 다 간다지 최념내 제배 걸리네야 조금 진도를 지해 마시 오늘 다지 저 유기라마 고마도 다 된대 체도지 남다르 라마베나 마르벤데 나요 밀렌데 제어 수도사 어다지 나에 진대를 직직고나서 서로지 된 진도를 된 진도 들어갔을 때 레미도 진도 첨버도 와 근데 그 콘다보르지 조나삼 된대지 보면 코라랑 베네 라메 공방 코라 주셔가 있어 거고 코라랑 제셔가 있어 거고 근데 뉴스는 이제 뭐가 더 버르지죠 다 유미네디 다 대양 아주 대법 무구된 대배 통하네 제아마다 베다 되지 아주 지당기 차도당 얘는 진짜现在 캐도서요 뭐 야나지 생기 유엔된래야 다지 마가와 다 된제 걸로 로다지 많이 봐 생기 유엔된래 그별 로다 아니 지 현래야 생기 유엔된래 이 촌 나라야 대답을 총나서 버려 근데 지기다 셈 시와지다 셈 가수에 잠바로 근데 주제도가 이 뉴스는 지당 고야라 샤스 다 이미네디 양 빈주 나게 당 뽑아 되기 다양 다나신 진도로 다 차도 왔어야 되기 빈주 만으로 chen 네 리버시아 chen 남네 작고야 돼 개체 미스라서
Generally, in the Buddhist teachings, we talk about 3 different types of laziness. And one of those types of laziness is the laziness of being self-deprecating, the laziness of criticizing yourself. And so this is thinking, oh, I'm terrible, I'm not a good person, this is, and I'm a bad person. This is actually a form of laziness, and it's a mistake. Actually, it's like the worst of the types of laziness. So it's important for us to have confidence. But when we have confidence, there's a danger that we might mistake confidence for pride or pride for confidence. And so when we think about it in terms of in foreign countries, in the West, there's often this strong sense of individuality, a sense of the personal identity, an idea that we ourselves are important. I'm independent, I'm an individual. And when we think about it, then actually from one side, this is actually a good thing. And the reason it's a good thing is that even when you have small children from Western countries, when they meet great beings and great individuals, they have a lot of confidence and they have no problem with like asking them questions or having conversations with even great people. On the other hand, when we have children, Tibetan children, for example, all they can do is look down at the ground and they can't ask any questions at all. They don't have the confidence to ask any questions at all. So maybe that's a mistake. It's a question of having no confidence. They are unable, when they meet great people, to even look at them, let alone... and it's considered, if you do ask questions of great people, it's thought to be disrespectful and not a good thing to do. And so, actually, maybe that is a mistake. Some confidence is good. On the other hand, maybe sometimes in the West, people get too confident. And when you get too confident, then you get proud. And when you're proud, then you ignore others, you disregard others. So generally, having confidence is good. And when you have confidence, it's like all the things you know and your intelligence, this is a source of confidence, it's a source of courage that you can have. But at the same time, it's important not to disregard others, not to disrespect others. And it's important to remember that there are people who have greater qualities than you, who are greater than them, and not to be jealous of them in any way. Maybe actually when we think about it, a little bit of competitiveness is actually necessary. Like there are stories of great lamas from the past, great Sakya lamas who thought about things that Marpa, the translator, or Milarepa did, and they said, oh, Marpa and Milarepa did that, I'm going to do that too. I'm going to be able to accomplish just as they did. And so this is actually a form of confidence. It's a form of competitiveness. I'm going to do that. They attained all these qualities, and I'm going to attain all these qualities as well. I can be a high lama also myself. But this is confidence that is connected with faith and devotion. So generally, we need to be sure that that we don't mix our confidence with jealousy and pride. That we do not disregard others, or that we do not get upset about the qualities, or feel bad or feel jealous of the qualities that other people have. So we need confidence where we're also willing to praise others for their qualities, to take delight in the qualities of other people. So this is the confidence of saying, I'm going to be like that too. And when we have that sort of a confidence, then our minds can be peaceful, our minds can be gentle. That's the sort of confidence that we need. And so it's important that we distinguish between the pride and the confidence, that we distinguish between competitiveness and jealousy, and that we do not mistake these. The next question is that in many Dharma centers, sometimes it seems like abroad, it seems like Western Buddhists behave worse than non-Buddhists in terms of being kind or being supportive. And how can we deal with this? How can we have more peace and harmony in Western Dharma centers?
Nupchoki nambe nyamlen chingin ki mi nangto tene gashi nangba mayin pale tene doksam ki joba jolam tene chingi yongdos pena chamze meba tang tene shena rogjur manchinkin tene yongdos tenzole ya tene kandas chine tekapsu karachi oras kanti shuya chikdang tene nupchole yunkin ki chue ki chokpa tenzo tene chambo tang, shiwa tang te yongya ki tabshi karayoras
다들 좋아 첨부를 제도 와디 아디 좋아되는 게 렌즈 겹도 연단 게 추도 상말로 따다 소식으로 다들 렌즈 게 겹도가 말아요 갈아 하부 인기를 성공 지체랑 아주 lama kuma tsu ti nalo le ya chue gi te sa ji chan ro ya so chue gi te du san ta pena di qua di chu na ba sa sa ba qua chu na ba ji ko qua sha sha ko ta de xin wa le yu sha ta qua sha go jong te ya da de ta zhu le de kan da kan ne me ge du ne ji mi sang bo che ore ji kar shui ya bo che ore sang bo che ore sang bo che ore ji xie du san just bu chan I hate be a good person zar ta ge du ne xie de or ba ta pena ji phama de ju gi bu de zu le ya de ya bo che ore ji ge ore sla du san ta ti just bu chan 다 bad person으로 제시하나 마도 내 격사 말해서 그렇지 이거 봐 디소르 제나 그 뒤에 지잖아 라렌라는 마다르체 디 소수기 not from your depth of your heart 봐 지 남바상게 베차당 엔다나 신지기 미상보 차사디 소수기 닝타버네 마제 많이 베차 다 미신다 지다 가사 제라바시기 에고 저나 미상바자오레 나바상게바 자오레 겹선도오레 담즈순고레 제자오레 니 자오레스 망불라윈두스나 계제도 망무 거연두스난다 계제디 지 가쇼에 그러 좋아매 버럽지다 야나지 계제도 거연두스나 짜스 버럽차 드니 용어로 봐 안다나지 나버도 지 라마 가이드 섬르베다고 뭐지 최디 망부 시규 시에버체 시야보다 라렌을 마다와 체체 에너지 침비기나 에너지 가수에 시험으로 차래 시험스도 사나고 최사 시험으로 치 계속 시험만 된 라렌 다음에 버죠 시험으로 차도 그때 망부 차서나 칸이 년부 시야 연계 라렌이야 아니 다음에게로 뜻이 차도 아닌가 도와 드레이 뒤준전 때 직전에 가서 나바상게 벌이야 직전에 다 간다라지 장바된 인지라 써봐 오늘 전에 미 상보지 차기 다 가수하다 플러스 신 롭종 롭소 education 차상 유예부터 돼데 이내한테 라렌은 아주 다야들이야 데스 가수에 아주 라렌다의 용차바 인도서 디 초제 견주죠. 초진에 직전에 아니 다 균제만 뭐 이로 초진에 직전에 organizations 말고 다지 간다 들려야지 진경 오늘 자와라렌다에 걸려 다다다다 게 진경 그렇지 아버 예비 이미나 에너지 그게 가서다 소소의 랑가데 중고리안 고팅예로 지든 진교야 버셔비나 아니 직전에 아니 가서지 랑가로 세버스 통제 아니 소소 가르치고 예비디 하고 투야로 지바지 연구를 했습니다. 나 근데 매미 인도산 다가 참사지게 다디 파지디 나자데 뭐 강보다 누저를 예내면은 지장 아주 배배 나사된 거예요. 배바도 배바 많이 야자 망고지 최 신기하만 최 은혜의 컨텐츠 신기하만 따이면은 지 가서해 아 야보체 상보체 사르다 드리게 주듯이 다디 은혜 라렌을 따르고 여러 최사디 배나 짐베 버르드 짐바 로자스 셰드네 팽마로 봐 짐바 당고로 봐 안다 이미랑 아주 집에 버려도 집에 셰 이네 짐바 당할라 때 바지 가져에 누르 차디요 다나 집에 버려도 집에 셰 다데 우마데 망고 우마 라마치 알았어 고 라마신다 제도사나 고란 라마치 옆에 아니 고 라마디 라마신다지 도와치 말했어 근데 라마신다데 콜라 기제티브레스 Lama big Lama el Gezatibres, Yanatizan Karchison, Artisan, Pege Kasha, Gobena, Junju tea, Junju Yabu tea. And the Kamju. And then a young Gidish and Kamju Chichon or Lamate. Kamju. And the name is an Mijigi on your ship, the Kamju Javi, Kamju Gem, Kamju to Yawachasos. That the Lamas in that day, but you cannot Juju to do some Sebelio is a Pajati Gimares. Also, a belly be about tea in circles. That is sort of chamber. That Kandar. Ni de gara sana chue de la len da ya de ma do kan ne xie ya de da ji ka shui tan bei chue sa de ji sim gyu du ge de ni chue ge tan bei chue mi yu de ma do da kan ne gyang gyang xie ne su su sim gyu du mo de yi mi na da de chue de wo ne ji ka shui da ci zang ge chue ming zang ge chue er bu chan du le 디 담배추 양다보다 오늘 전에 담배추 쳐야만 드린도 아주 내버려도 가지 강토도 최 측증마도 마도빈데 랑랜을 다토야 랑랜 따야 돼 조조다 심균뒤에 체도 랑랜 다고 니버딩 아주 지 최소하고 변하다 센터다 되게들이야 아주 지 라메게 마 가수에 가상보낭 다음에 원래야지 진정 세계의 수입이네 다다다다 지 가서 튼토了 라래 튼토了 켜버리지 근데 재비나 지 전다 녀도 용 좀을 마시 다들 리즈 망고 있기는 게 망고 시에 신매 too much.
Well, it's good to be a good person, but maybe it gets hard. It's important to be a good person, but if maybe in foreign Dharma centers, maybe I just haven't gone there yet, and I have to go there, and I have to go and fix things up there. So.
No problem.
So I haven't been there, so I can't really say everything that's happened in all of the Dharma centers exactly. Now,
this is a big question. You just said this is a big question. If I
It's a
can
very
answer
big-
this question, then
it's a so it is a very big question that we need to think about. Now, generally, when we try to be a good person, and we hear this, we go to Dharma centers and we hear people telling us, "Oh, it's good to be a good person. You need to do this. You need to do that." And sometimes it just gets really irritating to hear this over and over again. It says, "Oh, you have to do this. You have to do that." It's not, and so it's hard to say. Sometimes it gets so irritating. You just feel like, "Oh, I don't want to do any of that. I'm going to be a bad person." Maybe I get so get so irritated with it. So it's a question of not putting the Dharma into practice, and so generally, when we talk about practicing Buddhism, we talk about being a good person, but we do it. But when we talk about this, sometimes we don't really do it from the bottoms of our heart. We don't really think, "Oh, I need to do this." And instead, we just hear people saying, "You need to do this, you need to practice mindfulness, you need to practice refuge, you need to hold all these samaya commitments, you need to do this, and you need to do that." And you hear a lot of people saying many different things. And then you sort of feel like, you just don't feel like you want to do it. It gets too annoying and it gets too irritating to hear all of these things. And so when we teach the Dharma well, but maybe it's a question of we're just not putting it into practice all that well. And so, we say nice things, from our heart, from our mouth, but from our heart, we aren't really putting them into practice. And so, in terms of the Buddha, in Buddhism, we always talk about you have to develop loving kindness and compassion. We talk about how to be a good person. We have all the methods to teach us how to be a good person, but just speaking about it isn't enough. We have to also put it into practice. And so, if we think about this, maybe there are many different reasons why this happens. Maybe in Dharma centers, we don't have the organization and the administration is maybe not good enough. And if the organization and the administration is good, then people will be able to see what the path is that they need to follow, how they need to progress. They'll see that clearly, and they'll know what to do. But otherwise, it's difficult. Maybe it's a question of, we have a Tibetan sickness that maybe has infected Western Dharma centers. In Tibet, we sometimes, we don't really put the Dharma into practice. We say, we have to practice Dharma. We have to be we have to practice the Dharma. But when it comes to actually practicing it, maybe we don't do that so much. For example, you can talk about the paramita of generosity for 100 years, but eventually talking about it is not enough. You actually have to be generous. And so just speaking about it is not being so generous. Similarly, when we talk about the transcendent patience, we can talk about it all we want, but we don't always practice it. Like there's a story of this Lama once. This Lama went to go see another Lama. And so this second Lama, Lama B, said to Lama A, what are you doing now? And so Lama A replied, okay, well, I'm in my monastery, I'm teaching Shantideva's way of the Bodhisattva. And the Lama A said that's very nice, and they kept talking. And it turned out that someone had given Lama A a problem, and he'd brought a court case, a lawsuit against that person. And Lama A had won his lawsuit and said, this is very good. It really turned out quite well. Then Lama B said, then you must not have taught the patience chapter from the way of the Bodhisattva, did you? And Lama A said, no, I taught it very well. So this is a question where he's not really practicing the Dharma. He's they're saying it with the mouths, but not really practicing it. So when Dharma is something that we need to practice in order to tame our mind stream. And if we're only talking about it and using words with it, then it's not going to, and it doesn't tame our mind stream, then it's something that it's just words, it's not being put into practice. And so if we do Dharma like that, that is not true Lama practice. And so really, what we have to do is when we learn the Dharma and study the Dharma, it's something we need to put into practice, and that we need to do so that it will be able to tame our mind streams. Another thing is that when lamas give us the instructions, they give us profound instructions, then we need to maintain those, and we need to practice, and we need to maintain them and practice those instructions and understand them. And if we can do that, then maybe that will help as well.
Basics of Mengxi, or introduction, Mojo Cheche, Namasangi Church, Mengxi Mojo Cheche, take Motra Chene, Kanda Kurang Chuzo de la Shuni, Zawe Miyu Karimati, Kurang Hako Guadi, Gage of Starisha. As it didn't Mojo's game as a chair. Daddy Chuzona Maju. And a Galega Garji Chusho, Gardi. Gizmevji, Andeji, Nazu Chusota, Huzu Chusot, Nazu Chuguda, Huzu Chuguda serve Dick. Takanda Chegwe order the Chamba the Nizi Jambu the Machine Hone, G. 랑신기 지금 초리지하도 신 근데 주야고 얘기 말씀도 다 조데 간다라야 다 최소들이야 슈베 지 거대로부터 다 조소 가서 최념의 자로 레민두산에 디 최념의 자데 이거 니마 당보 코라네 맞아요 아버지 방 모르세 교란 대쇼가 좀 센데 이르르스 다 가다라 뒤다보 균도당 어르 제과데 계속 이스레 어르신 다다 조데 어르 제네 다 간다 코란 심규디 코란게 어르 제바데 심규리한 잡체 간다지 셈띵니 간다 코란 미상부 체하로지 되게 가수지 배수 제과데 계속 치료
So another aspect is that when we go to Dharma centers, when people come to the Dharma centers, maybe, we're not stressing the basics. Maybe we're not stressing the real foundations of the practice enough. And so really, when someone comes to a Buddhist Dharma center, we need to introduce them to what the basis of the Dharma is. So they need to understand the basics and the foundation of and the aims of their practice. But we don't give them that introduction to what it is. We bring them into the Dharma center and then we say, okay, this is our Dharma center, this is our Dharma center, that's their Dharma center, this is our lineage, that's their lineage. And so we don't teach them about loving kindness, compassion, and refuge. And instead we teach them about holding sides, or taking sides. And so that is not good. So in any case, the whole point of having a Dharma center is to practice the Dharma. And so that from the first day that someone comes to a Dharma center, we need to say, okay, this is the reasons why you come to Dharma centers. This is why you practice the Dharma. And if we give that introduction to them at the beginning, then we tell them how to practice the Dharma, give them the introduction so that they can bring it into their own selves and bring it into taming their own being. And so in this way we need to introduce them to how it's important to become a good person through working with their mind. Instructions on meditation say that we should keep our gaze stable in front of us. I have been meditating for a long time with my eyes closed. When I meditate with them open, I can't sit for a long time and can't keep my mind calm. What should I do?
Gom ki ti mangbun nang to, gom jabe kapsu mekte dunji namkala tene, shagwaya tene sondus. Yinaya ngarangi gom jabe kapsu mektsumne, tene yuringburin gom, lomangburin gom jayus. Tene da karche guinas. Ina mek dane gom jabe na, tene yuringbu sem ne tu medus, sem ne al kalikapado, tesondu karche guinas.
민두기 다 가서 민두기 난거를 제대로 짜인기 말아 지 민두기 난걸 다 민다다만 보여야지 차제 전부터 저거 준비 나올래 민다다만 보시다도 참참 지 반항 걸려야 남래야 따고야 다한테 따들이야 계속 방법소요 다이나 지용차는 신의 공백을 미기 가르쳐 나지 되게 반나나 따사를 지겨워 봐. 나지 되게 반나나. 안 다나시야. 너희 가시 나로래야. 다베 가사. 예수 따와도 유연도 따와야 뭐 문제는 따와야 뭐 다 간다르지. 밑에서 르르첸. 하장급에 반나나 제네 따고 이게 말았어. 밑에 드네 주서 다 간다 르르첸. 베드 미 당보 좀 되면은 야디 이 중화 용화다 되게 년가 열었어 뭐. 이 공기 발전 좀 그랬어. 근데 주산에 가장 좀 잡아야 많이 봐. 가장 당한 잡아야 많이 봐. 나간다 곰나 바지 미 당나 대보여 같은 제 가시 숨기 있어래 곰바 템나 곰바 맞나 아니지 가서 다 중세지 가서 미도 막퍼 배양배 좀봐야만 봐 하장 당와야만 되려지 고야를 이루어 다 이메네 지랑 미 다다는 게 버스게 요소 말 다디 명하다 데베 라마 담베 중도 컨디션에 아버레마도 예 소르데 계제지 마티 아마라스
Well, sometimes it is said that you need to look in space in front of you, but actually there are many different types of ways that you are taught to look. There are many different instructions that tell different ways to look with your eyes during meditation. In the instructions on Mahamudra and the instructions on Dzogchen, there are many different gazes that are spoke about. Sometimes it's said you need to gaze in the sky or in many different ways. When we're meditating on the shamatha meditation, however, often it's said that we should just look at the space, look into the space in front of our noses. And in many sutras, it is said that you should not look to the right, you should not look to the left, you should just let your eyes relax. So you don't stare with your eyes, but you should let your eyes be loose and relaxed. So if you meditate with your eyes closed, then there's the danger, especially for beginners, that you'll get really lethargic and really your meditation will have a lot of torpor. And so there's the danger that this will become an obstacle in your meditation. And so for that reason, you should not close your eyes too much. You should not but on the other hand, you should not open your eyes too wide either. So when you get used to it, if you meditate with your eyes open, then it's more comfortable. So it's more comfortable when you're used to it, but when you're not used to it, then maybe it's better not to close your eyes, but not to have them open too wide either. So there's no definite answer for this. So what is important is you should probably go and ask a Lama who has all of the instructions. It's not something that you should ask.
自性本性也好，或者叫做具身的智慧呢，它展现为这个本尊的身形或者这个。
The next question is, how do we practice together deity yoga and looking at the mind, both during a session of meditation and afterwards?
它遍满着每一个本尊哦，就是这样的一个意思。所以，同样呢，在做本尊观修的时候，说大手印也好，大圆满也好，大中观也好，这些的内容，我们就算没有办法，我们并没有实证大手印、大圆满或者大中观，但是我们至少要具备着，就在做本尊观修的时候，至少要具备着这些法门的一些见解跟理解。那这是空性的见解、缘起的见解，这些应该是要具备的。那么，同时我们说在大手印的这种传承来讲呢，它不注重的它注重的并不是所谓的观察修，而它注重的是安住修，也就是直接将心安住在这种不造作的自性本性当中。透过这种大手印安住修的方式，你直接努力的让自己的可以说光明的本质、本来的智慧能够从内心展现出来，所以这种所谓的光明的本质、自性的本性，它的本质呢是但它展现的相是什么呢？就是本尊的相哦。所以这是整个我们说观修本尊它最主要的意思。所以并不是说
understanding
这个又观修本尊又禅修自性
大
本性，
的这个大约国也
你并不是在一心二用，并不是的，而是你只是将你的本质展现出来，而这个本然的智慧、自性本性是每个人都本有的，但是我们现在没有将它开显出来而已。所以当你在做本尊观修的时候的意思就是，你刚开始透过一种刻意的去观想，然后你想说我的自性本性展现了，而且这个自性本性展现的像就是这个本尊，所以这是为什么我们要观想自己是本尊的这样的一个意思哦。所以总的来说，当你在做观修的时候，甚深空性的见解，还有广大的缘起的见解，这两个你要平衡，要同时具备是很重要的。因为所谓的空性并不是完空，所谓的显象也并非实有，而是显现中有空，空性中能够展现各种的相貌。所以同样，当你在做本尊观修的时候，也要带着这样显空不二的心去修。但无论如何，其实这个问题真的不是我能够回答的。我这次的主题是我能讲的呢，其实就只是告诉大家跟大家分享如何成为一个好人、一个善人像这么深奥的这些问题，其实我也不懂，不是我能回答的。
하이 남발롱도 교수님 말다 내지 고아르지 랭구면 단 너나 다 도도디 다 사목동번이다 엔다 자체와 뒤중선한다도 니 고아디 냠도 요구하다 계속 있어 지 고아는 와 동보 초지고서 산 가메 지메 장매를 제메 봐 아야 나와 초지고 아다 가서지 탐제了양고 지点点出住了
这里似乎问题越来越深了，可否请法王解释一下所谓的空分跟明分这两个部分
mindfulness 되게 징념도 용통면로 다 맞을 가시야 디주 좋아도 좀 알아 좋아 내야래 미샤 애들이 다 미상보를 차도면 계절지 대마다 중에 신다다 그래서 더버듯이 시에 도움이 돌아 어디 예주의 있어 말해
These are really profound questions. And I'm supposed to be talking about being a good person here, and I'm getting these profound questions about Mahamudra and stuff. I'm not sure I can answer these. I don't know if I know the answer to them very well. But generally, when we're talking about meditating on ourselves in the form of the deity, it's not we don't meditate upon our physical body of flesh and blood as being the deity. That's not how we meditate. It's not meditating upon the physical body as being the deity. Rather, it's saying that our own innate wisdom appears in the form of the deity. And so, in the terms of the unexcelled Yoga Tantra, the highest secret mantra, there we talk about the wisdom of great bliss that appears in the form of the deity. And so in the instructions, when we talk about Mahamudra or we talk about Dzogchen or we talk about the great middle way, this is all a way to sort of make that evident, to reveal that deity. And so this is something that we need to understand the view of how it is. So it's really it's an empty. And so first we need to understand how this form is, what the emptiness is, and how the form appears. And so when we meditate upon Mahamudra or we meditate upon Dzogchen, this is not something where we're doing analytic meditation. Primarily, we are just doing resting meditation, where we practice by resting without altering the mind in any way. And so we do the practice as a way to allow the wisdom of the luminosity that is present within us. We do it in order to try to reveal that, to make that manifest and visible. And so when we meditate on ourselves as the deity, then the essence is the luminous wisdom, but the aspect, the form of this is the deity. And so generally it is the wisdom that is taking the form of the deity. It's the essence of our mind that arises of as the innate luminous wisdom that we have. And so this wisdom is not manifest now, but what we do is we take imagination as the path, and we think, I have this luminous and innate wisdom, and that it's appearing in the form of the deity. And so that is what we need to understand. And so generally, what we need to, the main point is that there is the profound emptiness, and then there is all the vast way that things appears. But when we think about emptiness, emptiness is not just nothingness. It's not blankness, inanimate nothingness, nothing at all. But at the same time, there are all the appearances, but the appearances are not, if we think that appearances are all things that are truly there, that are really there and solid things, that's not how it is either. Rather, it's that while things appear, they're empty. While they empty, they appear. And so that is how we need to understand it. And so this way we need to meditate upon the deity and practice mindfulness, meditate on the deity. And so generally here, actually I'm supposed to be talking about how to become a good person and things like, talking about profound things like this. This isn't really something that's within my scope or my sphere that I can talk about.
Keep going. Maybe 2 questions.
We have another profound question, which is, what does His Holiness explain more about the empty aspect and the clear
这
aspect
里
of
首
mind?
先谈到这个康熙皇帝呢，他是皇帝当中可以说清朝当中非常非常出名的这样的一位皇帝那么当然我们说身为这个皇帝的时候总是会有这种战争啊各种这些情况的无论如何这位康熙皇帝呢他也学习这个佛法那同时他也有学习这些藏传的这些佛法尤其是噶当派的这些教法那么过去还有提到他接受一些灌顶那当然如果我没有记错或者我没说错的话似乎有这么一段记载就是说他我们说因为他贵为皇帝那么他应该来讲照理说没办法跟一般人一般就是接受灌顶的时候必须坐在地上啊或者这个然后宝瓶放在头上啊等等但是听说这个康熙皇帝呢他比一般人更加的恭敬他是坐在地上而且还真是跪着就他比一般人还更加的恭敬来接受这些灌顶同时也有一些记载说他在
His Holiness will answer this as he gives his teachings later.
他也付诸于实践
So the next question is a question about during the Qing dynasty, Emperor Kangxi was good to the people and protected them, but he also raised armies and fought wars where many people died. If he were to want to attain Buddhahood, would it be necessary for him or such a person as him to purify his karma in the same way as Milarepa?
那样大的苦行的
Qing dynasty, Qing Jarab kapsu Jebo Kangxi singi yoris. Kongi jidang ki yambang misali ya song job dang Changjong jidang ki yawashira na yoris. Yina yang kongi ma mangpo, kongi Jarab ki kapsu ma yang mangpo jamdo, tene ma jewe kapsu mi yang mangpo shindo. Te song zang per na jabo kong dawa cheki, tene sanji ki kompang drop gona, tene thomar 코란기 다지 득바든 주사 득바사바 바 장야게 탑라 매주 멜라르바나 신체걸었어.
以前法王有说过，在修上师相应法的时候，
다양한 예를 유심주시하고다.
上师是佛陀化身的样子，那加持会更快速地
친기
得
고마
到。
강시 거리야. 지단 고랑
这是什么意思？
친기를 그나네 지게보
所以
가수에
这样的修持跟本尊的修持
개별 나는다
有
간다
相
개보
同的地方。
년라제로지. 그래서 차리 요네. 이제 다 개보
虽
인주산에
然法王说他不太记得是有说过这样的话，
다들 이제 말을 물어봐다. 오늘 신입시. 간다리야 kuran 가서지 나주 냠내체 타바도 벼 남아 상계비 취 냠내체 타바도 겐덴비 에는 취에서 냠내체 아니 바지 왕한테서 슈류스단에 바지 대인배 당에 노르면은 왕한테서 슈류스단에 지당 kuran 고마 개보 인두스단에 아니 왕 슈류스단 아주 미패받는 신체네 지 라메 총리야지 대마베 토리아 대야다 다나시 지 고래야지 라메지 고래 pomajala sobote 지단데 고 디코라 개별 룩스르데 디고 말바 이나 쿠란기 엔 대마베 토라 대 대한 뷰모존에 대 다나시 지 라말레야지 그바체바 제단도 상물로 미패방 안 소리 하버를 제베 루규를 도 세상 고랑기 지 최소한의 지 냠네 야 다나시 지 냠네 체네 라메 마송샤버데스 고랑기 냠네 체네 고랑기 냠뇽 디총스데 야 또버 퓨 다 진짜 기세안도 근데 인주산 다 가르지나 다 매상월로 지 간사 소수기 로예 좀 받아
这个问题是问到说，那这两个方法是没说都是消除轮回最好的方法。那法王说，首先最重要的，我们说什么方法可以消除？怎么样可以消除轮回？空掉轮回最好的方法，法王说就是你真正降服你的我执哦，这是最重要的。所以无论说你在做上师相应法的修持，或者你在做本尊的观修，或者是你在做各种空性的修持也好，
we have to think about the dynastic history and during the Qing dynasty, King Kangxi was one of the greatest and one of the most famous kings during the time of the Qing dynasty. And so he was a king, so of course he had to occasionally wage war and so forth. But in terms of his Buddhist practice, he practiced Buddhism, he had lamas from Tibet, he practiced Tibetan Buddhism, he especially had Gelugpa lamas. And it's said that when he would take empowerments and so forth, then he didn't do this like a king. You know, he didn't act like a king, but instead he acted like a normal person. He sat on low seats. He had the vase placed on the top of his head and so forth. So he didn't sit in a high place like a king. He acted as an ordinary person. He knelt and so forth. In fact, he even acted more as an ordinary person than most ordinary people do. So generally, when he was practicing the Dharma, he practiced the Dharma, and then he spoke with his Lama about his experiences and offered his experience and realization. So there's discussion about this in the histories. But generally, when we think about practicing Dharma, then this has to go with it has to fit with the level of the individual's mind and the level of their faculties. It's not everyone can be like Milarepa and go like Milarepa and go through such difficulties and hardships in order to attain Buddhahood in this lifetime. It's not definite that one has to do that.
The last question.
The last question is, His Holiness had said that to do Guru Yoga with the Lama in his
所以总的
Nirmanakaya
来说
form
呢，
brings
在这里
blessings more
接
quickly.
着谈到
Would this or Yidam
也
practice
是
be
课程
faster
的
in
内容
eliminating
就谈到
samsara?
说快乐的时候哦，那么它不是外在的所谓好看的东西，或者说好听的声音，或者说好吃的味道等等，并不是这一些。所以真正快乐它不是外在的这些事物，这些只是一个缘，它并不是真正的快乐。那么什么是真正的快乐呢？是你真正能够回到自心，越来越习惯于你安住在你本具的本然的这样的善的这种功德当中了，这个才是真正的快乐。
다 아주 얘들이 시험자 정문다. 코아 동아라 아니고 냠네 지체게 등진 연구라 겸나 코아 동아라 대사와 이제 지 라멘nen조 세난다도 마다나 시지 이담길라의 nen조 세난다도 성물로 녀모 所以
同样，什么是苦呢？苦、痛苦，它并不是外在的，比如说难看的一个东西，或者一个不悦耳的声音、不好听的声音，或者是不顺心的某个事件、某个事情，都不是。什么是痛苦？痛苦其实是你内心烦恼跟一种烦躁不安，那这个才是真正的痛苦。
아직 진짜 정면도 다 근데 맞지는 어다 라마 추고 롱고 쭈고 다양 꾸퇴봐 지서야 샤네 꾸퇴봐 가서 알았다 그래서 많이 있고 무기고 다들 가르쳐야 샤네 다 간다 쭈고 먹어도 쭈베 쭈구이네 다 펜더스kim도 와 쭈베 영주를 지네 다들 이제 산도 저디 I don't
think I said that. I'm not sure that I ever said that. And generally,
I can't remember.
Oh, I can't remember. I can't remember saying that. Generally, when we talk about emptying samsara, then whatever practicing we're doing, we have to take that practice and we have to hit the self-clinging over the head with that practice. So whether it's a guru yoga practice or whether it is a deity practice, it has to work as the antidote for the afflictions, and especially for the antidote. It must be act as the antidote for the affliction of delusion or ignorance, and especially as the antidote for clinging to self. Because if we want to empty, when we're talking about eliminating samsara or emptying samsara, then the root of samsara is clinging to a self, and so we need to eliminate that. And so that is what we need to do with all of the practice that we do. So all of our practice needs to be an antidote for the afflictions, and that is what we need to meditate. So whatever form of the deity or the Lama, whatever form Kaya of the deity, we have to practice them. Our practice of it all has to be something that goes as the antidote for the afflictions.
단도나 디기 세규디 치료기 송자바 자년바 치심바 나 담지 나 초와 심바서마를 초와 대화 때문에 깬사마도베 오늘 전에 다 디기 오마 대처가 많았어 다 디기 오마는 가서 쉬변한신 라소스
所以在这里呢，要举一个例子就好像大家都知道明星无论是演戏的或者是唱歌的明星，你看他们总是明星要进场的时候，都是在观众的这种掌声当中、欢呼当中进入到这个会场所以这里的问题是，如果你能够选择，你希望成为的是那个明星呢，还是那个在一旁鼓掌的观众呢？
When we talk about happiness, happiness is not something that comes from necessarily from beautiful things, forms that we see, or from nice sounds that we hear, or a nice sense that we smell, or something. All of these are just conditions that can help bring about a sensation of pleasure, but that's not actual happiness. Actual happiness is when we have in our own individual beings, we familiarize ourselves with virtue or with our good qualities. That is what is actual happiness.
대가는 시 동해에서 대한 에너지 치료기 뭐 이도 명화 밀레 민제바 나와는 민년바 이레 민조와 다 되게 동해 원에 좀 다 동해에 조데 아주 지 심규리 이게 되지 심 추과다 심 미디어와 생긴 녀몽바다 and the Migi was charging.
Similarly, when we think about suffering, then suffering is not something outside of ourselves. It's not the unpleasant things that we see or hear. It's not the things that are unpleasant in our mind or that we don't like. That is not really what suffering is. What suffering really is, it's the afflictions that make ourselves that give us difficulties in our mind, that make our minds disturbed and make our minds unpleasant, unhappy. So it really is the unvirtues.
근데 미지 디기에 되면 제거나 아주 된 아주 배수 제거하다 가라서나 심규래야 개회 사변 개버체 개회 사변도 다 야기에 당하네 권의 공배도 배워체 된지리샤
所以其实问这个问题其实主要是说我们很多人呢似乎都很想成为一个明星，意思就是我们都觉得真正快乐是要成为一个得到快乐是要成为一个有钱有势一个不同凡响或者一个万众瞩目的这样的一个人，好像这个才是快乐所以你总是觉得你好像成为一个不同的一个人，或者得到一个不同的一个新的东西，所以过去的或者旧的，甚至你现在拥有的，你都觉得这个不怎么样，你都觉得这个不好，你也觉得不满足。
And so in that way, we need to have happiness in our lives. And so in order to bring ourselves happiness, what we need to try to do is we need to try to take the seeds of the virtues and the good things that we have within ourselves, and we need to try to increase them. We need to try to let them grow and increase. And at the same time as we do that, there are the unvirtuous things in our mind, the unwholesome things, the causes of our suffering. The causes of suffering, or the root of suffering, are the afflictions, and we need to try to decrease those and make them less. And so along with that, I have an example of this.
你把快乐总是寄托在于未来会得到的什么的东西，所以这是我们对于快乐的一种误解。那我们也总是朝着这个方向不断去寻求去找寻快乐，所以这是错误。
고주 거주용네 아니 미망고 지기 태모담이 고용거로 봐. 미망고 태모담에 쳐도 아니 고 냠체인데 용거로 봐. 그래 이제 산에 아니 그지 교랑 그 당과 체비나. 교랑 초에스 체비나. 교랑디 히로데 찬데예. 야나 히로디 내 윤주산에 테모 단계 미천다 테모 단계의 창조유
Like, for example, here, you have movie stars, and you have heroes and movie stars. And, here in India, when a movie star comes into the room, everyone starts clapping and applauding, and the movie star struts into the room like this. And so, here, if you had a choice, would you actually want to be a movie star?
No. Yeah? Negative. You want to be the movie star or...
Oh, so would you like to be the movie star, or do you want to be the person who is applauding, the people who are applauding?
Something like this, yeah. 다 예배지 간절히 잘 어울리노. 자, 미망 movie star. 직전에도 미망고지. 아주 미망고지기 3년 나로래. 그런지 소소 보부차. 소소 민주보로차. 本来初步查，养了几个出来明年查这去查，大看到了民战争呢，民战儿查这个，对吧？要了，民战争呢就民忙不动战忙别拿呢，就说说了呀，民场面就，民场面就说说了打电，其他说说了做那样的，你不查了去，啊就这他们理解了吧？啊就第几次就是这看到这3万去，宁波就是。 고미체 닝바데서 패메도 다 사버지 닝제보 직보직 종나 다 드레지 종나 에너지 이츠 모르지 아다 디기 토바이 소나로 소소이네지 다지 소소 여바데 다 중도아 소소로 다지 연구로 봐 닝도 미망보지 소나라야 디기 사데 파지지 가르소에 닝바데서 고마지 소소를 다다 줘야 돼와 우마 여대부터 수 고민 주십시오. 답변은 지금 사상으로 지금이나 어디 지금 소소 산다로 지금인지 우마 닝바데 다다 여대 더 처음인 데서다. 답변 저 초보인가 저 가면 다 되네 지금 사버 주나. 아니 지금 디카르죠 exciting 로 지금 여대. 답변은 좀 뭐라로 지금인데 닝바 토 닝바로 되서 처음 사버 락사 지 텔레양 베 차게 먹고 되는 게 좋나 락사 지 exciting 그렇지 아주 별에다 지 악사는 그렇지 되게 용어로 받아 나 디소로 지 물어봐 세상 아주 삼액이 지 디기사데 우마 여바다 다다 여바데서 개폐마다 지 마음발에 지 사버를 지 드네지 통나 성사 나 드네지 전에 아주 디기 좀 되게 honest
So many people think that, if you get to be some big person, some hero, some movie star, someone rich and famous and so forth, they think they want to become someone who stands out from the crowd, someone who is different from everyone else, someone who everyone looks for. They think that happiness is something we need to get, something new that we need to get. They think that they don't want the old, they don't need the old, but instead we need something new. So we think of the new things as being something nice, something that we want to get. We think that in order to satisfy ourselves, we need to get something new. Oh, I'm going to bring myself happiness. We think I need something new for ourselves. And so, generally, we think that's what we need. That's the feeling that we have. And so we think that happiness is, we don't need the old stuff. We don't need what we have. It's like if you're married and then you're with a partner for a long time and then it gets difficult and you start having a lot of fights and you think, maybe if I had a new partner it would be more exciting or something.
因为其实蛮多明星他们普遍似乎并没有那么开心。当然，你说他们的出场啊都蛮风光的，都蛮气派的。但是的确我们也知道许多的明星，他其实也蛮，他并不是那么的开心。所以这里我想要说的是。
we
其
have
实
this
真正最开
feeling
心的
like
是
we
谁？是
need
那
we
些
need
观
that
众，不
something
是
new.
吗？
We
那些
have
观
this
众可
feeling
疯
that the
狂的开
happiness
心了
is，not the
他们
old
非常
things
非常
that's
的
going to
满
bring us
足于
happiness. We
他
feel
们
like we
看到
need
的
to
这
get
个明
something
星哦，你看他们
get
欢呼，
something
他
new
们
in
鼓
order
掌
to be，
他们
happy.
甚至
So that is what we
开心
do
到
to try to
昏
bring
倒，他们
ourselves happy.
完全沉浸在一种不可言说的快乐当中，不是吗？
这当也别亮这边呢。
问题是你想成为一个明星，还是成为一个观众？这个问题在于，我们总是想说明星他很有名，然后他可能也很有力，但是其实不一定的，就是他内心是不是因为这样而得到快乐，这是不一定的。所以真正开心的人是谁？搞不好是那一些正在享受着这样一个场合，在那里拍手鼓掌的那些观众，不是吗？所以总的来说，什么是快乐？就是快乐，就是在每一个当下，你随时能够感受到你自己的每一个情况，你活生生的在经验着每个当下。就好像一句话说，你要感受每个当下的这种喜悦和快乐，你满足你所拥有的，这个就是一个快乐。但很多人一听到就说满足，我什么都没有，我怎么可能满足啊？但这里的问题呢，就是不在于你拥有什么，而是在于你知不知道你是不是快乐，这是重点。就好像说，昨天有举的例子，乞丐他可能什么都没有，但他如果内心他体会到、他知道、认知到他是快乐的话，他有这样的一种态度的话，那他就是快乐的。同样，一个富有者，他可能拥有很多，但他心中他总是不满足的话，那他也总是在焦虑，他也无法得到这个快乐的。所以快乐呢，并不是说你拥有什么，而是你拥有什么样的态度，这是很重要的。那么就像昨天我们说，其实你每天你都可以体会到一种喜悦，就是什么呢？就是你的呼吸。你看，我们每天你呼吸是多少次？这个呼吸可珍贵了。你要知道，一口气不来，我们就怎么样，就没有命了。所以你知道，这个呼吸它可是钱都买不到的。当然，我们说现在越来越多东西都得要花钱去买，水也要买，电也要买，搞不好哪一天一口气也得要氧气也得花钱去买哦。但无论如何，我要说的是，我们现在很多人都忘了，你每一个当下存在生命的一种喜悦，我们都忘了，就好像我们这一口呼吸，这一个呼吸，我们都忘了它，不在乎它。所以，如果你能够去感受你的呼吸，知道这每一个呼吸的难得，你就能够体会到喜悦，生命的一种喜悦，这个就是快乐。
本来张国建没点个事呢，我基本的，不然做基本切切，不然대학 특시를 지도가 아니 축구 빼매지 로주 첨부 예비는데所以다 간 선배 첨부 지금 로대야 중요 근데 이 산다 예매사 가면也가서 쉬는 신我最你们治疗我东厂忙不吃上忙不当地的因为我的我他这个什么我人呢人当全部扎不下来现在我个厂务人没比呢我就说出来了说不能图嘛嘞因为我厂务人呀还是个人当全部女这女比女对呀个好不但嘛是顶上成了鸟国的老的鸟国的去年鸟国的这么5代鸟国是oxygen 다 간다 대체네 진단 좀 경가래 이내 아주 진단 좀 그렇게 시험마다 고 인샤샤로 지고 오단샤샤 도샤샤
所以这里
大概是我们上面要不当这他这个误差么误东啊毕竟门的里啊上面要不当其实人他了不当电光这全部跟这上路대외로经常比呢
那这是因为前几天似乎有弟子就创古仁波切给予一个观音菩萨的灌顶了那但是后来仁波切代也请求法王说因为法王在嘛那就请求法王给予灌顶吧所以应该会在明天或明后天的时间当中法王说他会给予这个观音菩萨的灌顶那么简略的给予一个观音的灌顶那可能有关明分空分的部分会在明天再
So when you have like a movie star who comes out and the movie star comes out actually I have to be careful here because you know some of the movie stars I know might be might be listening. But when the movie star comes out and they come out and everyone starts applauding for them, the question is, are they really happy? Is their mind happy or not? Of course they have to go out, but the question is whether they really are happy. Maybe they're not so happy, actually. But for those folks who are out there clapping for them and applauding them, cheering and making all the noise, they're really happy. They're having a good time. They're enjoying themselves a lot. So they're having this great feeling, this inexpressible feeling of fun and happiness as they do this. But for the big people, it's, for the heroes, it's not so definite, that not necessarily so that they're so happy. So what is happiness? Who is the person who's really happy? It's definitely the people who are applauding and cheering. They're the ones who are happy at that point. So, what is it? What is the happiness? How do we bring ourselves happiness? Well, happiness is really, it's what we have right now. It's thinking deeply about the things, what we are really right now. And so when we think about the experience, it's important to think about the experiences that we are having right now. And so, if we think about happiness, it's a question. It's not often a question of not so much what we have or what we don't have. Really, thinking about happiness, it's more a question of what we are or what we are not. Like with happiness, sometimes there are really poor people who are extremely happy. They know what to do to bring themselves happiness. Whereas there are rich people who have big worries and very great difficulties. And so it's not so much a question of what you have or do not have, as I said yesterday. It's like I was saying that each single breath we take, every day we take hundreds or thousands of breaths, and each of these breaths is incredibly precious, is incredibly valuable to us. If we were not able to breathe, then we would not be able to live. And so each short breath that we take is incredibly precious. It's incredibly valuable. It's something that you could not put a price tag on. Actually, these days, we have to pay for everything. You have to pay for electricity, you have to pay for food, you have to pay for everything else. Eventually, they're going to find a way about how to charge us so that we can breathe as well. But right now, if we think about it, each breath that we take, every instant that we have breath, this is such a beautiful, amazing thing that we're able to take the breath. And thinking about that is the happiness that we have. That's where we can hope for the big happiness.
所以这一次我们有几天的时间，能够在这样一个殊胜的地方，也讲说了有关止恶行善的如何成为一个善人的这些内容。那虽然我自己并没有做到，并不是一个好人或善人，但是我有机会跟大家分享这些内容，我真的就感到非常快乐，非常喜悦了。同时在这里也要再次的感谢大家在这几天前来听闻。来参加我的这些课程，要再次的谢谢你们。
哎，就是你就完全不去过也是的。这里就是呢，他这里的差钱了吧？他这里都差钱，那说你现在是完全。现在是完别的时候，我的这个外地人嘛讲有些，大看他现在是完全都对不起钱，俺第一搞了这些呢，就生不拿着东西的这些都没得去点，大看这样当年的送，那是。
Clear
maybe we can talk tomorrow.
This is something that we will maybe be able to talk about in the next few days.
Not next few days. Tomorrow. And tomorrow has the empowerment.
所以这几天的课程呢，我们不一定说透过就是分享讨论快乐这个主题，
No.
我们不见得就真正马上就得到快
This
乐。
is too short.
那这几天课程，其实我最大的心愿是什么呢？就是这一次的课程不仅仅就是一个分享或者对于快乐这个成为一个好人、成为一个善人的一些介绍而已，而是我希望通过这次的课程，真正将我对你们每一位的关心跟祝福，也能够借这个机会分享给大家。因为你知道我讲的很多内容，有些道理，有些也实在没什么道理，但是我最主要的目的是希望透过这样子能够把这种祝福的关心能够供养给你们每一位。所以在课程的最后，在这里我要再一次的祝福大家能够有一个愉快的人生。
싱하지 나로래야 미상보다 니기 데버사데 칼레체 고민사데 게스 가시 쉬브레 예 지랑 아람 미상보지 이제 아람 미상보지 이바 이 아람 미상보지 게쳐요 말이다 미디기데 데버지 바지 있어 말해 다 이비네 아네 자신부 와르너시 지 상기 좀 된대기 뉴스 남리야 지금 가서 지 동해 네 타로 동해 가서 대화 오늘도 제가 지 동해 방아 특수 만으로와 송세게 내 자신 뉴탈이야 아주 지 미상고 차다 지다 디지털 되면 차당 거 계속 준비해야 충분히 나라다 미상보 이네 미네 디기르다 이네 미네 깨지셔야 충분히 가오총 드린 뉴스안에 상상으로야 어린데 투주다나 상문데 예 깨지기 년가표데 상문으로 토세나 쉬어이
So we have had the chance to talk about being a good person and how to become happy through being a good person. We've spoken about this, and whether or not I'm a good person is one question. I'm not someone who's so happy, but to be able to come here. To this place of Varanasi, the place where the Buddha taught his students the path on how to free themselves from suffering, how to manifest their happiness and bring out their happiness, and taught them the unmistaken method to do this. And to speak about this here is a very good thing. So aside from whether or not I'm a good person, I'm very happy to have had this opportunity to speak about this. And so I'd like to thank all of you who are listening for coming here today.
땅 예를 와치 쉬어야 가라서나 땅 얘기 디기 거래야 아주 지금 둘이 채바다 디기 거래야 땀시에 채바 땀시 디기 용토도 말이지 디기 용토 말이지 이내야 아니 땅 상로 남도 좀 아니 예 디기 거래야 계셔야 돼 예 지당게 디 가서에 introduction of Jamaima. So the Kiranzu Samegi, Digilia, Simguria, Adana, Zawaya, Sujero, the name to Sane. Tangi, Gazet, Samsung Gazet Choya, but the Samsung Chomia, which I oman. The Imbidia, Gazet, the Nyamdo, and Zawada, Simguria. 냠도 기란소를 표현해 줘야 해요. 이 주사는 텔레디에는 기란소 다 미진한 게 되게 권에 공부도 하다. 아니지. 대신 기회 면없이.
And so my biggest hope coming here and spending a few days talking about happiness and so forth is that not that we've talked about this, we've talked a lot about happiness, and just talking about happiness isn't going to bring happiness, but we've all gathered here together, and in speaking about this, I feel like it's not necessarily just making an introduction, but it's for you all to be happy to show my caring and my affection for all of you. And so I feel like gathering here has been a way for us to make connections with each other and to develop a bond of love and affection. And so I hope that through this all of you gain happiness and that your happiness grows stronger and flourishes.
Thank you. Thank you both.
Brief announcement. We will call and meet tomorrow.
야, 엄마 안 되지. 다 지니스 나도 성인 되는 저 가리에 가르쳐줘. 아니야.
So please come at 2 o'clock for security.
Sanjo